Okay, my name is Darren Welson. I work for Starfire Systems. We are a high-temperature polymer manufacturer. We make carboxylanes and siloxane resins for many industries. It's allowed me to see what other work is going on in the industry that I might not be exposed to directly. I can see what's going on in academia. I can also see what other industry partners are doing. In my industry, I see them being used in lots of different ways. Matrix formers, coatings, used in maybe ways we're not even considering, batteries and such. I see polymer-derived ceramics being integral in a lot of new industries that we're not even considering these days. I see them being used to reduce costs, to improve efficiencies with manufacturing, and to improve existing industries that currently use other technologies.
Do you have any specific comments or suggestions for future workshops like these?
I think the forum is good. I think to allow academia and to allow industry partners to collaborate and also to share ideas and to share their work is very, very valuable. I think it allows both academia to see what things are important to industry, and I also think it's good for industry to see what kind of things are being conceptualized at the academic level. No, I'd love to participate in these. My company supports these kinds of organizations, and we'd love to continue to support them in the future.